Have you ever received a video call from someone who looks and sounds exactly like a friend or family member, only to feel that chill of confusion as you realize something just doesn't add up? And did you know that today's scammers are using that exact shock and trust trigger to steal money, data, or even access to your life? According to industry research, the average American now faces approximately 14.4 scam attempts a day, including video or voice-based attacks. You might feel violated, frightened, and unsure what to do next. In this video, we're going to walk you step by step through what a video call scam is, how it works, how to spot the signs, why it's so dangerous, and most importantly, what you can do now to protect yourself and recover if you've been targeted. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to always receive the latest tips in cybersecurity straight from the experts. How video call scams really work, and why you're vulnerable without knowing it. This specific cyber threat involves a scammer initiating or hijacking a live video or voice call and impersonating someone you know or trust. The process often begins with a manipulated sense of urgency or trust. Perhaps you get a video call from your grandchild who seems distressed and asking for money, or a virtual meeting where someone appears to be a company executive who needs access now. The scammer then pushes for immediate action. Send the money, share credentials, install software, or hand over access. On the psychological side, it exploits your trust of faces, voices, and the supposed scenario. On the technical side, the scam may involve voice cloning, video deepfakes, screen sharing, remote access tools, or a manipulated caller ID to appear legitimate. 5 sneaky ways scammers use video calls to steal money and data. Here are 5 common ways video call scams begin. Impersonation of a loved one via voice or video call. The scammer uses a familiar face or voice, often cloned using AI technology, and asks for emergency money. Fake business meeting or executive request. You receive a video call from someone posing as your CEO or vendor, requesting immediate wire transfer or login credentials. Remote access under the guise of helping you. You accept a video call, and the caller then instructs you to share your screen or install software to fix your issue, but they end up grabbing your data. Romance or social connection scenario via video chat. You get comfortable via video chatting. Then someone builds trust and shifts to an intimate or financial request, often under threat of loss or embarrassment. Caller ID or platform spoofing. The call appears through a familiar number or profile, making the interaction look authentic when it isn't. The hidden damage of video call scams, how they break trust and drain your finances. The emotional impact of a video call scam is profound. Victims often feel betrayed, embarrassed, fearful, and isolated. Practically, the losses can be huge, not just money, but personal identity, access to devices or accounts, and long-term reputational or credit damage. Globally, fraud that uses voice or video impersonation is rising rapidly. One study projected that AI-enabled fraud losses, including video call and voice clone scams, will reach $40 billion by 2027. Furthermore, the average person now encounters several scam attempts every day, meaning you are statistically more likely than ever to be targeted. Your 5-step action plan after a video call scam. How to regain control and recover. Right now, you may be feeling anger, shock, confusion, and that's normal. But you can regain control. Here are the prioritized steps you should take immediately. Preserve evidence. Screenshot or record the call details. Save any chat logs, emails, payment records, and note dates and times and what was asked. Avoid blocking the user, as this can delete critical evidence and spur retaliatory action. Secure your network. Change passwords. Enable multi-factor authentication. Check for unauthorized access or transactions. Check your device for any unusual or unauthorized behavior and ensure your software is up to date. Notify your bank or payment provider. If you are asked to transfer money, contact your bank, report the transaction as fraudulent, and ask for holds or reversals where possible. Report the incident. File a report with your local law enforcement agency and your country's cybercrime or consumer protection agency. In the U.S., you should begin with your local police and work your way up to the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center. Consider a private cybersecurity firm. These experts can help with investigation and post-incident recovery. They can track down the perpetrator, audit your system, block future attempts, and guide remediation. You're not alone. How to recover and reclaim confidence after a video call scam. If you've experienced a video call that fell off, you are not alone, and it's not your fault. By acting quickly, preserving evidence, securing your accounts, reporting the incident, and seeking help from professionals, you can recover control. Trust that support is available, and awareness is your most powerful tool. You can rebuild your confidence and protect yourself moving forward. And remember, if you ever need help dealing with a video call scam, the experts at Blackmail.HelpLine are a phone call away. Call 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com to begin your recovery today.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.